Today we will be installing the JDL Ultra Quiet front pipe, Cadet front pipe with a resonator, and 5mm spacers with a hub-centric ring conversion. And all you need is a 17mm socket. Okay, this is the problem that we will be fixing with our spacers. As you can see right here and here, at full lock my 255 40 17s on 17x9 plus 40s barely touch, so we're going to move it out 5mm. Now I've had the M10 1.5 30mm bolt back out of my merge to front pipe, so I'm going to fix that by putting a lock washer on there and some Loctite and then torquing it down. As you can see, I took the M10 1.5 30mm bolt and put a lock nut, a washer, and then I had enough thread to put another nut on the other side, and I Loctited all of these, so this bolt should not back out. Here is cold start. Okay, now we are warm idle at about 83, 82 decibels. Sounds real nice.